Do you know you can nourish your lips naturally with 3 simple natural ingredients? This procedure is safe and cost-effective. All you need is sugar, honey, and lemon juice. If you are wondering how these ingredients can soften and make your lips hot, let me break it down for you. Sugar gently removes dead skin cells, revealing smoother lips. Honey's antibacterial properties soothe and calm irritated lip, and lemon juice naturally brightens and lightens lip color. Now, to the do-it-yourself lip scrub recipe, you need to get 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix the sugar, honey, and lemon juice in a bowl. Make sure to stir until the sugar dissolves. You can add a few drops of coconut oil for extra nourishment. To use this recipe, massage the scrub onto your lips for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Rinse or wash it off with warm water, and after that, make sure to dry the lips and apply your favorite lip balm. Isn't this simple? Remember to use this lip scrub recipe only once or twice in a week, and trust me, you are going to notice the difference in your lips' texture and color. However, please listen to these tips. 1. Use brown sugar for sensitive lips. 2. Do a patch test before applying. 3. Store the scrub in an airtight container. And 4. Use the scrub within 2 weeks and after mix again to form a new scrub recipe. Try this natural and chemical-free lip scrub to get soft, pink lips. If you found this helpful, please comment and share with others for them to also benefit. I will see you in our next video.